Peru is located in western South America. It is bordered by Ecuador and Colombia to the north, by Brazil and Bolivia to the east, by Chile to the south, and by the Pacific Ocean to the west. Peru has three main sections: the coast, the highlands, and the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon has a tropical climate with hot temperatures and a lot of rain. The highlands have a dry climate with a wide variation of temperatures. The coast is sunny year-round with little to no rain, yet high humidity. Governmentally speaking, Peru is a constitutional republic with a presidential system. The nation is also known for its numerous historical sites, including the Sacred Valley, the Inca Trail, and Machu Picchu. Peru's society is divided into three main sections: the upper, middle, and lower class. Across all three sections, the values of the people have been derived from colonial times.
Due to Peru's tropical climate change will become apparent rapidly. For example, rising sea level is becoming an increasingly large problem. Lima's coastlines could be underwater in 80 years. Lake Palcacocha is experiencing increased water levels from glacial melt, which is causing the water to overflow, similar to that of an overfilled tub. Even the breaking of a small portion of the glacier into the lake will cause a wave, no pun intended, of destruction to the surrounding areas. This is going to make areas uninhabitable and force the relocations of thousands. Additionally, severe storms, such as hurricanes, rainstorms, and snowstorms, are becoming more frequent and devastating as the Earth's temperatures rise. In 2013, unprecedented snowfall forced the Peruvian government to declare a state of emergency in 10 regions. Over 100,000 residents were impacted as a result of the snow, and tens of thousands of animals died.
Mudslides caused by heavier and more frequent rainfall are also affecting the country. In the future, mudslides are expected to become more prevalent and more dangerous. They pose a great risk for human and animal life, as well as any man-made structures in their path. Peru is also home to 70% of the South American glaciers. However, due to melting in recent years, the weather has become unpredictable and agriculture is nearly impossible. According to Alejandro Rosales, a 62-year-old farmer from Urush, "I never thought I would see the great white peaks from my youth turn black. Sometimes there are years when you get a good harvest. There are also years when harvests fail. That means the children go to school without their daily bread. It's really hard." He says this showing the blackened potatoes which crumble in his hands.
Despite its many challenges, Peru has been recognized as a global leader for stopping climate change since 2000. To adapt to the increasing temperatures and droughts, Peru's government has been putting in place water collection during wet seasons to use during dry seasons. Increased investment in dams and reservoirs has also occurred. To mitigate the impacts of climate change, the 2008 desalination project was put into effect. In this project, the 2009 Peruvian President Alan Garcia met with Water Solutions Company to get a desalination plant in Peru to get potable water to South Peru by 2021. Additionally, Peru set a goal to have zero deforestation by 2021, at least 33% of all Peruvian energy to come from renewable sources by 2020, and to have increased measures to reduce emissions due to solid waste. Lastly, the citizens' movement against climate change is working in Peru and other South American countries to bring awareness to climate change as well as advocate for policies related to climate change.